Charitable-minded Philly car guy Gary Barbera, his Barbera Cares program, and PA State Representative Jared Solomon partnered up again for their community with Barbera Backs the Bathing Suit's annual Summer Splash Swimsuit Bash in Northeast Philadelphia. Local boys and girls beat the heat and stayed cool in the Max Myers Playground swimming pool thanks to new swimming suits, compliments of Gary Barbera and State Representative Jared G. Solomon of District 202. The Barbera Bear was there to help distribute bathing suits while making a splash with the children and rallying the "Is Barbera the best? Boy, I guess" tagline. Philadelphia swimming pool rules and regulations require actual swimsuits be worn in the pool, a common barrier for many children who might otherwise be turned away for arriving in street clothes. This Barbera Cares effort helped answer a need with brand new, fashionable swimsuits the kids were proud to wear. This giveaway was part of the Barbera Cares program, founded by Gary Barbera over 3 decades ago when he realized that the surrounding communities of the greater Delaware Valley, places like Metro Philadelphia, southeastern PA, and southern New Jersey, could use a hand, and that he could use his success in the automotive business to make a difference. Since then, the Barbera Cares program has been able to support many local charities, programs, teams, and organizations that do their part in helping raise up the community, help the less fortunate, and make Philadelphia an even more wonderful place to live. Gary Barbera is a trusted voice in the community, and he and his entire team are proud to support the Keep the Boulevard Safe and Clean initiative with State Representative Jared Solomon, and to throw the full weight of the Barbera Cares program behind the Don't Text and Drive campaign, continuing their shared mission of giving back and creating a safer city for all.